this is Elaine with Elaine's Creations, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make this tower fold card with the Sweet Strawberry Bundle. All right, this is the Sweet Strawberry Bundle, and the punch is finally available. Just cleaning it off there. So it's very exciting. The punch is a builder punch, so that means it punches out multiple things. It punches out the strawberry, the stem, the leaf, and the flower. And today I'm going to show you how to make this simple tower card. So the tower card just has this little middle center, and so that's why it's called the tower card. There are different variations on the tower card where you can do little cutouts, and I will be doing some videos on those type of tower cards as well. But for now, this is just a really simple tower card. So I am going to, unfortunately, be using Celebration from last Celebration DSP. So I apologize for that, but I'm going to give you alternatives. So obviously this Celebration paper is no longer available, but you can use either the Regals or Brights Designer Series packs that are available in the annual catalog. Woo! Sorry. They have Poppy Parade and Garden Green, and so you can use those to punch out the strawberries, the Poppy Parade, or the Garden Green for the DSP in the back. I think would look nice. So those are available. And for the DSP in the middle, you could use a piece of basic white and stamp the leaves and flowers and strawberries to create a similar look to the Designer Series paper. So that's how you would do an updated look on this card. But I apologize, I am going to use up my Designer Series paper here. So just bear with me for using the, forgive me for using the old Celebration paper, but like I said, you can use this DSP paper and it would work just as well. Okay, so this is just a regular 8.5 by 5.5 piece of cardstock, Garden Green, and you are going to score it at 2, 3 1/8, 5 3/8, and 7 and, I'm sorry, 6.5. And I usually have a template, but I don't know where I put my template. So I'm gonna write this down for you. And can't find my black pen, so here's my purple pen. So you're gonna score it at 2 inches, 3 1/8 inch, 5 3/8 inches, and 6 1/2 inches. And this is just a regular 5 1/2 by 8 1/2. Okay, so that's what this is. And then the pieces that we are going to use, the DSP, are 2 that are 1 3 1/4 by 5 1/4. And then 1 that is 2 by 5 1/4. Okay, for the middle. So the middle piece is the 2 by 5 1/4. And I'm just gonna adhere that on in the middle. And like I said, you could stamp your own to look just like that Designer Series paper, very similar. And then you could stamp, you could even stamp the leaves on some basic white to resemble this Designer Series paper, or you could just use the Garden Green designer paper out of the paper stack. Okay, so you just decorate this, and if you wanted to, you could decorate the ones in between. You would use, these are 1 1/8 wide, so you would do 7/8 by 5 1/4. And then you can use whatever label you want. Like I think the hippo labels would look really nice here, but I used the stitched rectangle labels. So you can do whatever label you want, and I'm gonna stamp on this one. So I'm just gonna get a scrap piece of paper here, and I'm gonna use Garden Green, and I'm gonna stamp the big flower and leaf stamp here, just right up here. And then I'm gonna stamp the For You, just for you, right here. And looks like I got a little bit of ink there. So I always have my sand eraser handy, and it kind of takes off the top of the paper. It's not really erasing the ink, it's removing the paper, in all honesty. But basically it looks like it's erasing the ink, so it works. Okay, so I'm just going to adhere this to the Garden Green stitched piece here. And then I'm gonna put this on some dimensionals, just like 2 in the middle, and place that right in the middle of my tower. I'm gonna put it up a little bit though, just up a little bit, and then center it between these 2 right here. And then I'm gonna use, sorry, I'm using the retired paper again, but you could use one of these papers, one of these designs, whichever one you want, or just regular poppy cardstock. And I'm just going to, oops, I want the seeds to go this way. I just cut a long strip so I could punch out 2 strawberries. Okay, I'm gonna cut that off. And then I'm gonna punch out 2 stems out of some Garden Green cardstock. And I'm just gonna insert that just into the stem part. I like to just cut it off and then punch again, so I don't have a whole bunch of little pieces everywhere, just some pieces everywhere. Whoops, fell down, I got it. Okay, so those are all of our stems. Just gonna get all these little pieces here. And I'm gonna use some glue dots to adhere the stems, just nice and easy to use glue dots. And the glue dots are really strong, so they'll stick really well. Not gonna go anywhere. And then I'll just put these little guys on dimensionals too. Whoops, the stem's a little bit too low. Pull that up a little bit. This is making me want some strawberries. Just like, you know, the peaches made me want peaches. Now I want strawberries. Go get some strawberries. We're so lucky here in the Bay Area because they grow strawberries in Gilroy, which is about an hour south. And so a lot of the growers will drive up here with fresh strawberries and just sell them like on the corner of the street. So you can just like stop on the corner and get fresh strawberries. It's awesome. Anyway, here is our tower card. So cool. So, I am offering a free card kit, but disclaimer, it will not have the celebration papers. It will have the alternate that I talked about. It will have the Garden Green for the back, and it will have the white that you're gonna stamp on for the middle. And it will have some poppy that you're gonna use to punch out for the strawberries. Okay, so that's that one. And then the second one is a joy fold card. So you're gonna get different papers. These 2 papers are gonna be different. They're gonna be the poppy paper, and then you're gonna get some white paper to stamp the strawberries on down here and create your own designer series paper. So that'll be a little bit different on this one. And then for the last card in this card kit, it's an extending fun fold card. You're going to get a white piece of 12 by 12 that you are going to stamp a design on. So that's going to be different as well. So this is going to be a modified card kit from what you see here, but it will still be a fun fold card kit. This is a joy fold card kit, and like I said, this is an extending fun fold card kit, so it's still very fun, and I hope you will enjoy it. So you'll get it free when you purchase the bundle, and if you already have the bundle, you can purchase a different bundle. Just go to my website and use the current hostess code and let me know that you would like the Sweet Strawberry card kit, and I will send it right out to you. Thank you for watching my stamping tutorial on the Sweet Strawberry bundle. Be sure to check out my other videos on the Sweet Strawberry bundle and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Click on the notification bell so that you are notified every time I post a new video, and give me a thumbs up if you like my video, and leave some comments for me and some love as well. Thanks so much, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.